Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Hair Hacks. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video today I will show you beautiful haircuts and hairstyles. Haircuts will change your personality and volumize your hairs. So my dear friends, let's talk about today's trendy fashion about hairs. Haircuts, hair color, and short hairs are today's trend. If you are a new subscriber on my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest and new daily updates and to like my all videos. Thank you once again. Keep supporting me, keep on watching. Till then, take care and bye.